In this video, I would like to share with you some very important expressions with the word mind. Mind originally means thoughts, ideas, memory. So you can say, "You're always on my mind." "I'm losing my mind." What's on your mind? Have you lost your mind? I'm going out of my mind here. He has a one-track mind. In all the above examples, mind is a noun. Absent-minded, open-minded, closed-minded, and narrow-minded are adjectives. She's really absent-minded. His parents are really open-minded. Some people are really closed-minded. He's a really narrow-minded person. A couple more adjectives for you: mindful and mindless. We should be more mindful of the environment. A mindless crime. So far, so good? Okay, let's move on now. Mind can be a verb. Mind the gap. Mind your head. Mind your own business. Now, let me tell you something really interesting. We often use the verb to mind in the negative form. I don't mind. I don't mind is an expression of agreement or acceptance. I don't mind it. It's raining, but I don't mind. Do you mind if I open the window? No, I don't mind. Can I bring my dog? Sure, I don't mind dogs. She's from South America, so she doesn't mind the heat. He's from Canada, so he doesn't mind the cold. Sometimes we use another verb after I don't mind. I don't mind helping you. He doesn't mind cooking. I don't mind doing the dishes. One very important thing. Mind the use of ing after don't mind. I don't mind helping you. I don't mind cooking. She doesn't mind doing the dishes. Do you mind working on the weekends? I don't mind working with my hands. Alright, we're almost finished here. One last thing. A phrasal verb with mind. Did you guess which one it is? To make up my mind. It means to decide, to make a decision. Too many choices. I can't make up my mind. What gift do you want for your birthday? Have you made up your mind yet? She made up her mind. She wants to be a doctor. Alright folks, that's it for today. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. By the way, I don't mind reading your comments or answering the questions. So feel free to drop me a line. Oh, I almost forgot. Homework. You don't mind doing homework, do you? Don't worry, you'll be done in a heartbeat. Just look up a few words for me, okay? Here they are. Thanks again. See you next time. Bye for now.